Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to increase the font size in Google Chrome. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop I just open Chrome browser and I just go to right hand side corner settings option. So just click the three dots and just go to settings. Once I click it settings option, there will be a appearance tab will be open here. Just click the appearance option. Once I click appearance option, there will be a font size will be there. So this recommended is there. I just click here to choose any type of model. For example, very small, small, and large and very large. Once I click a very large option, I just click here new tab. I just go to Wikipedia so I can check it out. The font size is increased like a very big size. For example, I just want to change this one into very small. I just go back to the Wikipedia, the size will be reduced as you see here. So this is an example. So this is the large size of the font. The large size will be open here, and very large size means the very large size will be open here. The readers can able to read and make different types of energy effect for the people. Yes, if I want to change the fonts, what I have to do here, there will be a custom fonts will be there. Just hit the button custom fonts and you can choose a font size. Huge means huge and tiny means tiny you can give, and standard font is Times New Roman, so I can choose any types of fonts. The fonts will be changed as whatever I change as you see here. So just refresh on that. So my fonts will be changing over here, like whatever changes are there, everything will be displayed over here. So similarly I can choose and have access with the different types of fonts. So I can choose for the fixed font width and everything I can choose and have access. For example, so I just go to some other type of fonting and the font will be changed as you see here. The fonts, entire fonts will be changed like this, sans France. So I can change and I can have access whatever fonts I'm changing, everything will be displayed over here. Just refresh on that, the fonts will be changed over here. So readability and easy to understand the text over there. For example, I just want to tiny font size, I can change the tiny font size so that I can able to read whatever I want. So similarly, the old age people or young people, they want to zoom in and check it out, means they can choose this font option, appearance and font size and font custom font size they can use to increase the fonts to readability will be easy to that accent. For example, if I changed, I want to make a default method. For example, I just want to reset that option, means I can reset that option. What I have to do here, just go to the appearance option. So the device will be there. So if you want to reset entire font and entire things, mean just go to custom fonts option to reset your entire settings. Just click here to reset setting option to reset the original default. Just click a reset option, automatically it will reset an entire thing. It will be create as a normal font what you need. So for example, if you want to change entire thing, if you want to change the entire fonts, means you can do according to your needs. Yes, my Times New Roman is added over here. Similarly, I can able to create a different types of method. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.